3Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Karch with 3Rivers Archery. Today I'm showing you how to install and use the SideKlick draw check. Now, draw checks are used to make sure that you're drawing your arrows to the same point every time. Helps get your shot routine down, helps fight target panic, and really build that muscle memory so that you know when you hit full draw, you're at the same point. And then also that you're not collapsing, because when a draw check engages, or a clicker as they're also referred to, it makes a noise. So you know when you hit your anchor and you hear that click, that it's right where it needs to be. Now, if you collapse afterwards, it's going to de-click or make a noise to show you, okay, well, I went less. Now, the importance of drawing the same on every arrow really comes down to accuracy. You know that everything is at the same point when you release, and keeping that accuracy, that repetition, that will really improve your accuracy. Now, for the SideKlick, it comes with a few parts here. The actual SideKlick, which you can put straight through a plunger hole, or as we have here, the adjustment bar. And then you, like I said, mount it to the plunger hole of your bow. Now, if you have one that goes straight through it there, you have dual, allows you for different adjustments there. This longer bar allows it because what you're going to have it do is it sticks out past the bow. That way when your arrow's coming back, the metal in the point comes in or goes past it, and the magnet's going to engage. And we'll show you that here. Now, for installing, it's very simple. Comes with an Allen wrench for installing it. And all you'll do here is put that right through the plunger hole. And we'll have our adjustments here, so you just want to get it just there. And I can move it around. That way I make sure I have it right. And we'll take you up on the range and show it how it works there. But what I'm doing here is I'm just sliding the arrow right by where it would be nocked and how it sits on there. Now, this does mean that this arrow is pointed or slanting closer to that than that. So we'll need to adjust for that when we're going for it. Now, it comes with a little popsicle stick here, mini one. It's for setting that distance between the two of those. What we have here is it's too close. So what we'll do is there's a set screw on there, or set nut. I want to back that off. And then we just adjust to where we need it to be. Now, basically what you're looking for is an 1/8 inch or less. Now that's really close. I'm going to leave it like that because I know that once this is actually on the nock, that's where it's going to, or it's going to be a little further away. So I'll take this on the range and show you how it works. On the range now, I'm going to show shooting one of these arrows. What I'm going to do is just come to regular draw and shoot, but I'm going to slow it down a bit just so that you can get a focus on here and watching it in action work. So let's do that. And that's it. That's how you install and use the SideKlick draw check. I'm Johnny Karch with 3Rivers Archery. Please give us a like if you enjoyed the content, share it with friends, or leave a comment below if there's any questions that we can answer for you. Thanks for watching.